Hello again, everybody. We're back with another tricked out car show for 4th of July. We got some fireworks tonight. A nice car show. We got like 2 fields full of cars we could check out today. So let's go see what showed up today. Got a bunch of Audis. Very nice.
Yeah, you're always wrong.
That's a sweet wrap. There we go. Oh, he even has a symbol. There's a Ferrari here. Yeah, you got a lot of different like tricked out cars here, and here's what we're more used to seeing right here. Ferrari showed up. Nice. Yeah, we even got a big old monster truck pulling in here. We'll get to check that out because we still have to go over here and look at all these cars too. Alright, we'll just continue on going this way for a little bit. Look at this. Look at the speakers like right in the window. Dang. Look at that paint. Very neat. Nice Carmen Gia. Right on.
So where did they end up parking?
Man, check out this nice Duster. Alright, now that the sun has gone down a little bit and its temperatures come down about a degree, time to continue on to the other ball field. Check out some of the mini trucks here.
This one's all turned out. Yeah.
This is pretty cool, you know, it's a little different from like the supercar shows that we normally go to. You're getting to see some tricked out cars today. Got the VW row here. Man, look at that bug. That is really cool.
We're done. You know those little panels that go down the middle? And couldn't almost fucking notice it, but he went down.
Right on. Man, look at that power wagon. Wow. Dang. Look at that. There we go. Here's some nice mini trucks. Very cool. There we go.
Look at it.
That is awesome. Man, lowered ram, look at that carbon fiber hood on that. Dang. Got a lot of music playing out here, so just trying to talk over that, you know. There, right there.
I invited a girl. I guess she didn't answer.
Always cool to see these older trucks all tricked out like that. That's neat.
See, this one opens like suicide.
Right. Yeah, got suicide doors on these. That's cool. Look at, check this one out. Look, the door opens regular on the driver's side. Look at passenger side, got a suicide door.
Look at the inside. That's crazy.
Yeah, look at those speakers in there. Dang. Wow. There we go. Oh.
Look at that piano in there.
Man, those wheels are like wide on it. Yeah, look at that. Exhaust coming out of the fender, big old drag slicks on it. Let's see. Look at this. Look at that. Man. That's cool. There we go.
Hey, I'm laid up.
big old monster trucks. Jeez. Man, look at that setup. Dang. Wow. Jeez. Look at that paint on that. Man. Sweet. There we go, and made our way back to the Hummer here. Man, that's the way to go right there. Dang. Look at it, and then check this out. We've got two Holdens, otherwise known as Chevrolet from Australia, but still. Pretty cool, right? Look at that truck. Yeah. A lot of really neat, interesting trucks here that we don't usually see. Alright, now check out this beast. I believe we saw this last month at Cars and Coffee, but we didn't get to see all the rock lights and the neons on it. Look at that. Wow. That is awesome. Okay, now I made my way back to the other field to see the rest of the cars that we didn't see the first time we were here in the blazing sun. GT500. Yeah. That's cool.
Yeah.
There we go, another nice 5.0 right there. Got some Lambo doors on that. Dang, look at that interior. Wow. There we go. Sweet custom exhaust right there. Alright. Wow. That's some serious work on that. Okay, now look at this. Monte Carlo pace car. March 28, 1999. Prime Star Texas 500. How cool is that? And then of course we got a beautiful Challenger. Gorgeous. Nice. Very cool. That's definitely unique, huh? There we go. It's really cool to see all the different kinds of cars out here today and see the creativity that people put into their cars, modifying them all, and it's really cool. Yeah, that was awesome. Look at Luke Air Force Base. Right on. Yeah. Alright, that's pretty much going to do it for the car show. Let's check out a few fireworks for a little while. Pretty cool, all the cars have all their neons on over there. It looks great at night. And check this out real quick. Look at the moon. It's crazy. Nice. Alright, that's going to do it for this video. What a great way to spend the day out here celebrating our beautiful country's Independence Day. So happy 4th of July, everybody. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.